Today I read for you the courage within. There are those who went before us, giving their all in what they believed, leaving everlasting memories, displays of strength, unseen facets of the human spirit, a grasp into what's possible, a boldness clothed in humility. Yet the message has been sent, cemented on our hearts as a reminder to stand for something, to carry your cross, to do the best you can without giving up and giving in. Let this courage light a flame in our hearts to give our all to any passion we choose, to tend and train passionately a path of our choice. May, may, we, may not be easy, no straight, no pretty, but the fruit is worth it. Above all, may we dig deep within ourselves to find the golden nuggets laid at the floor of our hearts. Excavate them for the use in our daily lives as wisdom for living. May the graces of life deal kindly with us in our adventures from here on. Henceforth, talk to you soon. It's Keroy here.